Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable or disable voice chat in Killing Floor 3. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings, and then we're going to go to the audio tab and select voice chat. So here you have the voice chat toggles, so you can enable it or disable it. And basically what voice chat it does is it allows you to talk with other players in game. So if you want that, you select on, and if you want that option disabled, you select off. And once you've done that, make sure to press save, and you can exit out and your options will be applied. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.